Welcome to AI Pulse for the 11th of March 2026. First up, OpenAI has officially unveiled GPT 5.4, a significant leap forward that unifies its top-tier reasoning and coding capabilities into one powerful model. This new flagship is not merely an incremental update, it notably outperforms humans on real-world desktop navigation tasks, achieving a 75% score on the OS World benchmark, which surpasses the 72.4% human baseline. This isn't just about raw computational power, it's about practical operational competence. Furthermore, GPT 5.4 introduces a massive 1 million token context window, allowing for incredibly complex, multi-stage projects that can draw upon vast amounts of information without losing context. Perhaps most intriguing is the new X-high reasoning effort setting, designed for projects that require hours of autonomous execution. This capability suggests a future where AI agents can work tirelessly in the background, tackling intricate problems that would traditionally consume significant human effort and time. For business leaders, this release fundamentally redefines the potential for automation within knowledge work and operational processes. The ability for an AI to navigate a computer better than the average employee opens up entirely new avenues for efficiency and workflow transformation. Here are a couple of questions to consider today. If an AI can now operate a computer better than the average employee, which of your standard operational workflows are ready for full autonomy? How are you auditing the security and logic of X-high effort agents that work in the background for hours at a time? Second, the escalating standoff between Anthropic and the Pentagon has now formalized into a major legal battle. This began after the Department of War controversially labeled Anthropic a supply chain risk. The Pentagon's reasoning stemmed from Anthropic's steadfast refusal to remove crucial safeguards designed to prevent the use of its AI models for mass surveillance and autonomous weapons systems. Anthropic has not taken this designation lightly, firing back with federal lawsuits that call the label retaliatory and unlawful. This isn't just a dispute between a company and a government agency. It's a critical moment for the entire AI industry, highlighting the tension between national security interests, commercial opportunities, and the ethical development of artificial intelligence. In a significant show of industry solidarity, over 30 employees from rival companies like OpenAI and Google have signed a legal brief supporting Anthropic's principled position. This collective action underscores a growing concern within the tech community about the weaponization of AI and the importance of maintaining ethical guardrails, even when faced with immense pressure from powerful government contracts. Here are a couple of questions to consider today. If your primary AI vendor is forced to choose between its ethical constitution and its largest government contracts, which side will they pick? Does your firm have a neutrality clause to protect your brand from the political and legal fallout of your vendors' military partnerships? Third, professional AI video production has officially made a significant shift, moving from being primarily cloud-based to now operating directly on your desk with the launch of LTX 2.3. This innovative release marks the first production-grade video and audio model specifically designed to run locally on consumer hardware, such as modern MacBooks and NVIDIA RTX laptops. The implications of this are profound for creative industries and any organization producing high-quality video content. By processing everything on-device, LTX 2.3 completely eliminates the recurring GPU rental fees that have typically been a substantial operational expense for cloud-based AI production. More critically, it ensures that proprietary footage and sensitive intellectual property never have to leave your machine, addressing paramount concerns around data privacy and security. This decentralization of high-end AI capabilities empowers smaller teams and individual creators, democratizing access to tools that were once confined to large studios with significant cloud budgets. It accelerates production cycles and transforms the economic model for AI-powered content creation. Here are a couple of questions to consider today. How does moving high-end creative work to local hardware redefine your organization's standards for data privacy and intellectual property? If cloud-only bottlenecks are gone, how will you reinvest those savings to scale your content output across all channels? Fourth, Microsoft has introduced CoPilot CoWork, a significant new M365 feature that's built on Anthropic's Claude technology. This is far more than just another chatbot. CoWork is designed to complete multi-step tasks across your entire M365 ecosystem, including Outlook, Teams, and Excel. What sets CoWork apart is its sophisticated work IQ, which allows it to understand the context of your meetings, emails, and ongoing projects. This deep contextual awareness enables it to proactively build project plans, draft presentation decks, and even execute customer follow-ups in the background, all while incorporating crucial human-in-the-loop checkpoints. This development signals a strategic pivot for Microsoft towards deeply integrated, proactive AI assistance, moving beyond simple task automation to intelligent workflow orchestration. For business leaders, CoPilot CoWork represents a powerful tool to enhance productivity, streamline complex processes, and potentially redefine how teams collaborate and manage their daily responsibilities within the Microsoft ecosystem. It also highlights a growing trend towards multi-modal AI architectures, even within major platforms. Here are a couple of questions to consider today. Are you still betting on a single master model, or are you prepared to manage a multi-modal orchestration layer in your infrastructure? How do your internal security protocols change when an AI agent has the same system-level access to your corporate data as a senior manager? Finally, a new open-source tool called Paperclip has emerged, introducing a truly innovative concept, organizing a team of AI agents into an actual company structure. This isn't just about grouping agents. Paperclip allows you to define organizational charts, implement cost controls, and assign specific roles, such as CEO and CTO, to your AI agents. While the industry's giants are focused on securing lucrative enterprise contracts, Paperclip is democratizing the creation of fully autonomous, agent-driven businesses. Imagine being able to download entire company templates with a single command, allowing you to instantly launch and run sophisticated content agencies or development shops powered entirely by AI. This tool represents a profound shift in how we might conceive of entrepreneurship and business operations. It pushes the boundaries of what autonomous agents can achieve, moving from individual tasks to coordinated, goal-oriented organizational structures. For strategic thinkers, this raises fundamental questions about the future of work, business models, and the very definition of a company in an age of hyper-automation. Here are a couple of questions to consider today. How would a future of zero marginal cost companies, run by autonomous agents, redefine your current business model? As agents gain the ability to hire and task other agents, what new frameworks do you need for legal and financial accountability? To summarize, the 5 things to know today are: GPT 5.4 has arrived, beating humans at desktop tasks and unifying agentic power. Anthropic is suing the US government over its supply chain risk blacklist. Professional AI video production has gone local with LTX 2.3. Microsoft's CoPilot CoWork is now automating complex workflows across Office apps. Paperclip is turning teams of agents into fully structured AI companies. That's it for today. AI Pulse is a briefing for business leaders and their advisors, published Tuesdays and Fridays each week. If you like what you hear, share it and subscribe to the channel for updates.